Okay, in this video I am going to show what role you must have to have in order to access the setup and maintenance. So just ask your security administrator to go to the security console. So assume that I'm in the security administrator login. I'm going to the security console. Let me quickly click the users, and in the users just query the user account, and now just click the display name here. Now you can see a edit button here. Just click the edit button because we are going to add the new role here. So now in this user information page you can see a button in the middle by name add role. So I'm clicking the add role here. The role name is nothing but application implementation consultant. So it has the code ASM underscore application underscore implementation underscore consultant underscore job. Just select this one and click the add role membership, and you can click done here. Now you can see the new role being added here. It's starting showing up here. You can click save and close. And you can click done here. Now once I log off and log in back, I would be able to see the setup and maintenance. Let me just quickly do the logout. I'm logging out. Confirm. Let me log in. Good. Let me check whether I got the setup and maintenance here. I still can't able to see it out. This could be a reason. I purposely wanted to show this one because sometimes the cache in the browser will make it not to be rendered. So ensure that you close all the windows and remove the cache, clear the cache, and try out in the browser once again. So let me try to log out. I have cleared all the cache and I have closed all the browsers also. Now after logging in, if I go to the, I can see now the setup and maintenance. So in this way, once you add this particular role, you will be able to get access to setup and maintenance. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you find it informative, please share this video. Let's spread the knowledge.